Hey everyone, this is Rose and welcome to my random channel. This is going to be actually another double mystery Birchbox unboxing video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to link my playlist down below and in the cards. I basically pull two random Birchboxes. It could be one from 5 years ago, one from a month ago, 2, 3 years. I compare the sample values and basically show you, has the program always been good? Did it used to be better? Or did it used to suck? So basically I'm a beauty product hoarder and I have this box in my closet that's just full of monthly subscription services. And when I get them at the time, I might go through them and then I might just throw them in the box. So anyway, I can already tell you I know one of these is actually recent and may even be my February box, which I think this one is. And I know this one is probably a lot older, so let me show you the older one first. Very colorful, cool little pool motif. And oh yeah, if you want to learn more about Birchbox, I would definitely recommend you check out my previous videos, my really early videos, I would say. And then I will have my referral link down below in case you're interested. It's one of the cheapest monthly subscription beauty services out there. It's 10 bucks a month. Oh wow, this is old because they don't use the tissue paper anymore. Alright, this was an offer from Marcel. That's obviously not good anymore. And then here's my card. It's August, I know that. I will annotate what year it was. But this basically talks about the theme. And then the other side talks about the products, the full sizes, and all that stuff. So, yeah, this is really old because they don't use these pill boxes anymore. But let me just go through everything. Alright, the first thing I'm excited to see, the Beauty Protector. Now, unfortunately with this one, there's no measurement, so I'm not going to be able to determine a value for this, which is pretty disappointing. But it's just a bottle of this hair oil. Full size of this is $25.95. This customer fave hair oil defends against UV rays, heat, and breakage. So my hair is extremely dry. So I would definitely appreciate that. Next thing is a fragrance sample. The Christian Siriano Silhouette. 0.04 fluid ounces, 1.2 milliliters. This is the card it came in. And then here's the sample right there, which, oh wow, this is pretty different and nifty. How it's, oh, I think you twist this and it opens it and then you like, you know, put it on your finger. Which is interesting, I kind of prefer the sprays, but still. How extra Christian. The full size ranges from $22 all the way up to $92. Inspired by a tulle dress he created, the designer's first fragrance is airy, crisp, and feminine. Alright, the next thing looks like it could be full size. Of course, I'm not sure, but future editing Rose will annotate it. This is the Crabtree and Evelyn Garner's Ultra Moisturizing Hand Therapy. Very excited to see this because I have very dry skin on my hands. Actually, I'm dry from the neck down, except for my face. This is 25 grams, 0.9 ounces. Can't help but wonder if this is full size. Full size is 20 bucks. Made with macadamia oil and shea butter, this ultra nourishing cream hydrates and protects hands. Excited for that. Next thing is by Harvey Prince, which I've known that brand for perfume, so this is interesting. 8 milliliters, 0.27 fluid ounces. Here's the container, and then it is a spray. Sea Salt Texturizing Mist, full size is 22 bucks. The styling spray delivers beachy texture, big volume, and a summery scent. And the last thing, can't help but wonder if this is full size. Lacquer & Co. Charm School Kit. Okay, it's not because they sell it in a set of 3 for 20 bucks, but this is the Cheeky Lip, which looks like it's like a twist up balm of some sort or color. 1 gram, 0.03 ounces. This creamy crayon delivers a rich, easy to apply color for both lips and cheeks. So, very interesting. And then, looks like a nice, bright pink color. All right, so that is it for this first box. I'm gonna quickly throw up the value of this one. And then let me get into, no, this is actually, I think I've gotten this mixed up with something else, because this is actually another old one. The reason why I know is because it actually says happy birthday to me. Birchbox is great because whenever they ship you stuff, they'll include like little messages and stuff within the shipping label, and it actually says happy birthday. So they use these colorful boxes now and not these anymore. So I know this must be old. Here's the inside, and then here is the card with the products on the outside. So I will quickly annotate what month and year this is. I'm sure it's April. First thing is the Cure Brightening Facial Scrub, 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. The full size is $9.99. This paraben-free botanical rich cleanser gently exfoliates and boosts skin radiance. Next thing is the Mika Perk Up Dry Shampoo, 0.75 ounces. Full size is 24 bucks. Weightless spray in the brand signature Oblivica scent. It refreshes second day hair, a rich starch that absorbs oil, boosts volume, and enhances shine sans residue. Next thing is by number 4, which is a really expensive hair care line. 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. The Jour de Tome Smoothing Balm. Full size is 30 bucks. This hard-working vegan formula minimizes frizz, gives hair a soft, touchable texture, and even protects against humidity and heat damage. Next thing is by Tata Harper Resurfacing Mask. Full size is 58 bucks. This is 0.25 fluid ounces, and this is the box it came in, which is pretty nifty. I'm sure it must be like a little jar. This must be, oh wait, I've heard of this before from people that I follow. Very luxe packaging for a sample. Using pomegranate enzymes and pink clay, this potent mask targets excess oil, evens tone, and exfoliates to give your skin a healthy, all-natural glow. And then the last thing is by the Beauty Crop, the GRLPWR. Oh, hashtag girl power. Liquid lipstick, and I'm a boss. I'm a boss. That's exactly how it's spelled. The full size is $14.95. Now this is, no, I don't, oh wait, no, 0.07 ounces. There is that. This liquid lipstick delivers a long-wearing matte look and rich, uncompromising color, enriched with shea butter and vitamin E, provides comfortable wear for hours. So I'm gonna quickly, because my battery is dying, I'm gonna throw up the value of this second box and put up both values. Am I still a member? Of course. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in a comment below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this at all helpful or entertaining, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you'll see me again hopefully very soon.